The block wall continues. For this side of the church, we're raising it to the level of shining with rods and the decking for gallery. Thank you. We bought another set of 30 bamboos for more scaffold. The scaffold is taking more, so I bought a total of 260 bamboos now. 30 bamboos and the 10 bags of cement. So 30 bamboos now. We bought today, 31st October 2025, with the 10 bags of cement because we don't have funds again. So we are buying small bags of cement. If we get funds, we buy 100 bags of cement. It will take about almost $1,000. Okay, thank you. The carpenter is working, covering the pillars with board for casting. So the works are going on small, while the bricklayer is also working, raising the walls for this side of the church. These ones have been leveled for another level of shining with rods. And then decking for gallery will be here. Thank you. Those boys are packing the blocks. Arranging the blocks. Small. We have blocks littered everywhere. And the bamboos are being offloaded.